All right, everyone. So I just bought a new washing machine, a new dryer. This is the LG. The model number is WM4000HBA, and the dryer is the DLEX4000B. So this is what they look like. You've most likely seen these before. This is the dryer. The washer's on because I was actually getting ready to run a tub clean cycle. It was just installed today. I was getting ready to run a tub clean cycle, and then I said, you know what, I'll make a video real quick, because when I was looking to buy this washer and dryer, I was trying to find videos on them, and there's only a few out there. So I figured, okay, well, you know, somebody else may be looking just like I was looking, so I'll make a couple videos on the washer and dryer. So like I said, the reason it's on, it says this stands for tub clean. As you can see, I had it getting ready to run a tub clean cycle. I wanted to just clean it out before I actually started using it. I was going to use the OxiClean washing machine cleaner. And so as you can see, I've already poured it in the drum. The LG manual says that you can put it in a dispenser, but the cleaner itself says, so we can get this to focus, pour into the washer drum. And so I just went on and poured into the drum because that's what the instructions say. But like I say, LG says you can pour it in the dispenser. So what you would do is you would take this out, because this is for liquid. You would put it in here and then run a tub clean cycle. And so real quick, I'll just do an overview. I have the sound turned off, but we can turn the sound on. So right now the washer's off. It's what it's like when you turn it on. It starts over here normal. This washer and dryer does have the steam cycles, so you can see steam cycle for washing, steam cycle for the dryer as well. And so in the washer, we have normal cycle, heavy duty, well, correction, this is still normal, but heavy duty, bedding, sanitary, allergen, tub clean. You can download different cycles from the LG ThinQ app. Then you have speed wash, towels, permanent press, delicates, and bright whites. So as I said, we're gonna run a tub clean cycle. And then over here, if you do one of the steam cycle options, you can select steam, you can do a pre-wash, you can delay the wash for a certain amount of time, stop it so you can add an item. This is your wash temperatures. You have tap, cold, cold, warm, hot, extra hot. The spin cycle, you have no spin, low, medium, high, extra high. Soil, of course, light. Not sure what's in between. Normal, not sure what that one is. Heavy. This is to turn the sounds on and off. Rinse and spin, this is just the rinse cycle, and then the spin cycle without washing. Extra rinse, cold wash, turbo wash. This is the door. This is what it looks like inside the drum. This washer does not have a light on the inside. The dryer does. So you have normal, heavy duty, bedding, antibacterial, steam sanitary, steam fresh, delicates, permanent press, towels, speed dry, air dry, and then you can also download cycles. And then over here on the control panel, you have turbo steam, remote start, reduce static, energy saver, your drying levels, your temperatures. Your time dry would be if you do a manual dry cycle. It's like you can do speed dry, but you can also select time if you want to. And then more time, less time, wrinkle care. And you can get a damp dry signal. This is your dryer, your filter. This is inside the drum. That's where your steam would come out at. And the drum light is up here. And that's the dryer. As I said, I will upload some more videos on these. But for now, we're going to start this tub clean cycle.